What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for Trust Wallet. Now before I show you guys how you guys can sign up for Trust Wallet, let me tell you guys what Trust Wallet is. Now Trust Wallet is a crypto storing digital wallet which is used to store your crypto. Since crypto is digital, you can't store it in a normal wallet, you need digital wallet. And Trust Wallet is one of the securest and safest place and the safest wallet to store your crypto. With that said, you guys can easily download it from your Play Store or App Store. And after you do that, just watch the video until the end to sign up into it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. With that said, let's jump into the video, shall we? First step, open your Trust Wallet. And after you open up, you want to click on versus create a new wallet. After you do that, you want to click on I have read its terms and service and then click on continue. It means you agree to its terms and service. Now then, create a password for your Trust Wallet. After you create the password for your Trust Wallet, tick mark the box again and click on continue. Once you do that, it's gonna give you this 12-word recovery phrase. Now this is important. If you ever lost your wallet, you need this 12-word recovery phrase in order to log in into your wallet again. So if you lose it, just keep that in mind that you have also lost your wallet. And it's really secret, so don't share it with anyone, alright? If anybody knows this, then they can easily access your wallet, so just keep that in mind. So copy it and save it in a secure place where nobody else can see it. And after you do that, choose the word which was given to you before over here to verify those words. So I'm going to choose the word which was shown to me before this, those 12-word recovery phrase which I just said important, alright? So I'm going to choose the word according to the arrangement it was given to me. After you do that, click on done and your wallet is created. It's that simple to create a Trust Wallet account. Hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and bye bye everybody.